Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube. What we're talking about here is steam cleaners, 150 degree steam. What's happening in the marketplace? People are ringing up all the time and they're asking regarding wanting steam cleaners. So there's a bit of a difference. Steam cleaners are what we used to use years and years ago, electric driven machines. Plug it in, and what the only use it was for really was to do cars once they come in from abroad. They used to come in with a wax on. And what used to happen is we used to turn the machine right the way down on the pressure. We'd then introduce a product called Copol, which is like a paraffin. And what it would do, it would steam clean the wax off the car that they put on to protect the car from fallout, environmental fallout. And they'd simply clean it all, get it all nice and clean and everything else. And that's what was happening. The machine itself was working at very low pressure, because what they'd done was unscrew, turn the unloader right the way down, so not only does the pressure go down, so does the volume. The machine then will work up to 150 degrees, but a normal pressure washer steam cleaner, such as KARCHER's, V-TUFF, Mac international machines and so on, they will do steam, but like I say, it's the same old thing. You've got to turn the machine down, but you're also, what you're doing is when you're turning the unloader down, you're reducing the volume of water going through the boiler, and you're also reducing the pressure. Where most of the time when you lot out there that are doing the jobs, you're wanting high pressure, but you're also wanting steam. So that's a different kettle of fish altogether of a system than these others that, like I say, electric driven machines. What simply happens is you've got a petrol or a diesel machine. For instance, say that machine itself is a 15 litre pump on there. What you're simply doing is you're wanting to make that machine produce as much pressure as possible, but at 150 degrees. So what simply happens is we put a larger boiler with the system, then just the same size as what the pump's running. So 15 litre, you'd chuck a 25 litre boiler or something like that with it. And what simply happens is we can then produce high pressure steam. Now, the unloader types we use are flow sensitive, so it also looks after the system. When we're doing 150 degree steam with our system, what simply happens is we make the gun weep, but the machine itself won't come to any harm, because the unloaders that we use look after the machine. So the gun itself can be leaking part water out of there, or should I say steam, high pressure, when you let go of the trigger, but the machine won't start surging all the time. Zip, zip, zip. So really, when you're running steam at 150 degrees and everything else, you need to make sure that you've got an unloader on there that is able to cope with, that's flow sensitive, that's able to cope with leaking water. Thank you very much for all the information I've just given you there is helpful, and you'll understand it a bit more. So like I say, when you're wanting steam to do roofs and different things like that, gum and graffiti removal, electric machine is no good to you, because what you're doing is turning the unloader down, so it turns the actual volume of water going through the coil down, so it will then go up to 150 degrees. That's why the thermostats on the machines have got 150 degree thermostat, but normally when you run on high pressure it will only go up to such a temperature of 80 degrees and 90 at max. Thank you very much. Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube.